nakakakuanggi ako kita ha, editorial dibahan atong commentaries. Nakakapagkuhan sila nga, sino ba mag-blame ni? Are we, for example, climate change? Are we to blame? Diba? So, makakapagkuhan ka dito nga, pwede ka mag-bombard dito yung mga questions na at the same time, your readers also, it's just like they are engaged with what they are reading. Diba? Aside from you as a writer, can give commentaries, your readers also, bagat feeling nila nga, ikaw nga mabasa pa nga, bagat feeling mo nga, bagat ako mag-testorya yun, diba? Okay, sige, next.
Unit Love 99.
Yes. Sige.